I present Professor Mercedes García-Arenal, research professor at the Instituto de Lenguas y Culturas del Mediterráneo, Centro de Ciencias Humanas y Sociales, Consejo Superior de Investigaciones Científicas in Madrid, for induction as a corresponding fellow of the Medieval Academy of America. Professor García-Arenal, since completing your doctoral studies in Arabic and Islamic studies at the Universidad Complutense in Madrid in 1976, you have transformed our understanding of religious minorities in medieval and early modern Spain and the Western Mediterranean in general. In 14 authored or co-authored scholarly books and 12 co-edited volumes, as well as numerous articles, you have covered the histories and interrelationships of Spain and North Africa from the 9th to the 17th century, examining such questions as Islamic messianism, Christian Inquisition, forced conversion, exile, skepticism, prison graffiti, religious prophecy, religious forgery, political vision, and the religious and cultural transformation of urban landscapes. Your innovative contributions, which move us well beyond a focus on Latin Christian medieval Europe or on the major centers of medieval Islamic culture, have garnered numerous awards and distinguished visiting professorships, drawing you to far-off shores, but not at all into exile. These awards and visiting professorships include a postdoctoral fellowship from the British Council at the School of Oriental and African Studies at the University of London, a membership at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, and a postdoctoral fellowship at the CSIC in Madrid. Moreover, you have served as Directrice de Recherche at the École des Hautes Études en Sciences Sociales in Paris, as an invited professor at the Université Mohammed V in Rabat, as a distinguished guest lecturer at the Israel Academy of Sciences and Humanities, as the Hamilton Gibb Lecturer at the Center for Middle Eastern Studies at Harvard University, and as the James K. Binder Lecturer at the University of California, San Diego. If the literal definition of the Arabic word Muslim is one who submits, then you have well earned that description, and the degree to which you have submitted to the service of your institutions, the broader academic community, and your students. You have served your university as head of the Department of Islamic and Jewish Studies and as chair of the Department of Arabic Studies. You have served the broader academic community by translating numerous books, by generously mentoring young scholars from abroad, and by serving on over 15 editorial boards and on the boards of numerous research associations. And last, but certainly not least, you have served your own students by ushering to completion as the principal advisor over a dozen doctoral dissertations. Professor García-Arenal, in the past year, our political, urban, and cultural landscapes have been profoundly altered, not by the arrival of a new religion, but by COVID-19. The good news is that our necessary adaptations to the pandemic have also offered us the opportunity to transform certain imagined communities into virtual communities, including this one. It is our hope, nevertheless, that at some point in the near future you will be able to travel once again to the shores of North America, and when you do, we hope that you will have the opportunity to sign your name in the Book of Fellows of the Medieval Academy of America.